In this demo, we will showcase the bulk password change feature. This can be used by MSPs or distributed enterprise customers to change passwords across multiple firewalls. This use case saves admin time when changing passwords for multiple admin accounts simultaneously and keeps customers compliant with their security standards. This feature is also supported under all tenants. Launch Sonic Platform by visiting platform.sonicwall.com. Log in using the My SonicWall credentials and pass the two-factor authentication by clicking Next. We're now logged into Sonic Platform, SonicWall's unified management console. Click on the Firewalls menu on the left navigation pane for the NSM user interface. So let's navigate to All Tenants and select All Tenants if we plan to change the password across multiple tenants. Let us start by creating a template. We will create a new template for bulk password change. Populate the template name. Click on Create a Template. You need to confirm to switch to Template View and select the Change Password option here. We will now be able to use variables in NSM. Let us create a new variable object for old password. You will see that we have a variable type as cipher available now. Populate the name and save. You can do the same for new password by either using an existing variable or create a new variable. We have used the existing variable for new password here. Now, click on Apply Template. You can now select the tenants and groups and click Apply. You will be required to resolve the variables that we created for new and old password for different firewalls as you see it on the screen. We also have an option to import the values from CSV file if you're doing this change for a large number of firewalls. Once done, click on Save. This is now under progress, and once done, we can then commit the changes. Let's click Done. The changes are now ready for commit and deploy. Let's select the firewalls or groups and deploy the changes on the firewalls. And deploy the changes now or schedule it for later. The change is now getting deployed. The bulk password changes across multiple tenants is now deployed